Hey, what's up you guys? Your boy Kripto B5 here. We're back with another video. This video I'll be telling you guys a little bit of what has been going on with my cars. Having issues with both of them. One of them registration wise, the other one the turbo went out. But as of now, has been a couple of things that have changed. So hope you guys enjoy what I put together so you guys could be up to date with what's going on. I still have one more video where I'm gonna show you guys everything on the whole situation on both cars. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you guys get notified when my next video drops. So it's gonna start dropping weekly. Peace. Hey, what's up you guys? I know it's been a minute. Little setup for shadow. Stock-ish. Gonna make a bracket for these. You guys will probably see the video of that. So I was currently sitting. It's dirty as hell right now too. What's up, Duke? Putting the BBS's back on for now. Some rubbing on my tire. Got my fresh axles back here too. Unlock it real quick. Axles back here. And my OEM ones, I just got them rebuilt. Just rolling on these suckers right now. They import direct from O'Reilly's. They already gave out, so I'm to get it rebuilt. She's just dirty. I'll wash her up though. Guys, so adjusting the coilovers, but I find it easier to remove them. So take out the bolt. This one, it goes this way like this, through right here, comes out through this end, and you just loosen it up from the top so you could get enough reach. The top bolts are 2 13s. They're in here, and yeah, I'm about to take out the shock right now and adjust these suckers a bit. All right, so strut is out. This is the strut I'm running. It's a JSK. It's pretty nice, to be honest with you. Well built, and I had to do a little custom top, but other than that, I like them a lot. Yo. I love this way. That's all through here.